For these air fryer chimichangas, we're going to use these chili cheese from Monterey. And we're going to preheat our air fryer for 370 degrees for 14 minutes. Once our air fryer is heated up, we will put in 3 of these chimichangas. It says 2, but once again, I like 3. Seam side down. So, this side has a seam on it. This side doesn't. Seam side down. And wait for 7 minutes to flip. After 7 minutes, we'll grab our spatula and flip these over. That's what they look like so far. For 7 more minutes. After 14 minutes, this is how they came out. But are they crispy and crunchy? We must find out.
Hear that crunch. Oh yeah. Nice and crispy.
If you want crispy, crunchy chimichangas, this is the way to go. If this liked, if you could leave a like and a comment and subscribe, it does help a lot. Hope you have a great night and wonderful eating.